In 2008, Oppein officially entered the customized wooden door industry, ushering in the era of integrated wooden doors. In 2009, we introduced the German HOMAG fully automated production line to strengthen capacity in wooden door manufacturing. Today, Oppein owns 5 intelligent production bases with a total construction area exceeding 3 million square meters, strategically located across the country. Manufacturing scale ranks among the largest in Asia, all to ensure efficient production and delivery. By leveraging AI scanning technology and integrating IoT and big data, we enhance the automation capabilities of our production lines. The entire process, from cutting, compositing, edge banding, hardware drilling, milling, assembly, sanding, to painting, is completed in Oppein's own factories. It takes only 72 seconds to complete one wooden door. Oppein's annual production capacity reaches 3.6 million wooden doors. Our products are sold across 6 continents, exported to 146 countries and regions. We have over more than 100 patented technology certifications. Currently, research and development team of the wooden door consists of over 100 members. Relying on Oppein Group's 31 years of experience, we have specialized in customized wooden doors for 17 years. Fully comparable to top-tier China wooden door brands in configuration. We launch over 12 original wooden door series annually. In terms of quality and performance, we stand at the forefront of the industry. We continuously analyze modern living demands, lifestyle, consumer psychology, and color trends, pre-research new designs, and reserve new techniques to keep innovating. Our products include laminate doors, painted doors, wood veneer doors, aluminum alloy doors, and more, all to ensure every family enjoys exquisite doors at good prices. In 2023, we proudly launched our exclusive integrated door, wall, and cabinet products. Our wooden doors can perfectly feature the same materials, crafts, and colors as the customized cabinets and background wall, reaching matching style, unified quality and texture and harmonious color. The furniture size is suitable and functional layout is reasonable. Every surface is aesthetically pleasing, elevating the beauty of your home. Oppein wooden doors are trustworthy in quality. Every door will be rigorously tested for environmental friendliness, load-bearing capacity, scratch resistance, and repeated opening and closing, all to ensure the durability of our high-standard wooden doors. Our doors are equipped with clever anti-moisture measures, patented anti-moisture pads at the bottom and moisture-proof film on the back of the door frame, providing layered protection to extend lifespan, even in humid weather. Soundproof details enhance your cozy living. Hexagonal aluminum with soundproof strips and a 60 degrees beveled edge ensures a tight fit between the door and frame. In 2025, we upgraded to 45mm door panels. Soundproof performance has been further enhanced with an extra magnetic silent lock and bottom soundproof and dustproof strip. 360 degrees noise insulation. Close the door, and it's a quiet world. We never compromise on environmental standards. We carefully select tubular core boards, which meet the China E0 standards, ensuring a healthy and safe home for your family. Oppein wooden doors are not just doors, they are a practical choice to block noise and protect your health.